on your head? What's that on your head?
This story is called Erica, the Dentist from the Hives.
It was a dark and stormy morning. No, apparently it was very, very clear, sunny morning. Erica was on her way to her dentistry job, which she enjoyed quite a bit. In fact, she could not stop flossing. In addition, Erica really loved to
Hang 10.
hang 10. She loved it so much, she invited her hang 10 instructor everywhere she went with. Hey, baby. Oftentimes, her instructor would break out into hives. Because he was allergic to the perfume that Erica wore, it was called
Hives.
oddly enough, it was called Hives. And the celebrity promoting it was Cher. You should see the commercials, they're fabulous. Just then, the hives got so bad that the instructor fell into a pit of toilet paper? Toilet paper. Which was right outside Erica's dentist's office. This was so sad. And Erica had a line of patients waiting out the door, and they were feeling very,
Passionate.
very passionate. They had all taken, Erica was not sure whether she should open the door or not, but finally she decided to,
Let it all go.
she decided to let it all